Hey, Lucy! Oh.
Oh, hey, Matt!
Thank goodness you're here.
Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Today, we're talking about how to describe frequency.
That's great.
So, how often do you come to work late?
I never come to work late.
You just did.
Oh.
And how often do you learn something new from these videos?
Oh, I always learn something new.
Awesome. And you just used an adverb of frequency.
What do you mean?
Let me show you. If you want to say how often you do something, you can use an adverb of frequency, like always, usually, sometimes, etc. You should put these before the main verb. So, I never come to work late.
A what verb of frequency?
An adverb. An adverb is a kind of word that can describe an adjective or a verb. So, when you say, I never come to work late, the adverb never is describing the verb come.
What if my verb has two parts, like I have eaten sushi?
Then you want to put the adverb before the main verb, the one with the information. So here it's eaten, and you put the adverb, like never, before that. So, I have never eaten sushi.
Okay, I think I got it.
So today we learned how to describe frequency using adverbs.
Cool.
So, how often do you enjoy learning about grammar?
Rarely.
Ah.
I mean, always.
Hey!
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.